ड्राइविंग गाड़ी देख के तो लग रहा है कि काफ़ी है। दिस इज ऑडिटोरियम एरिया। फ्रेंड्स, मैं विकास और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल बेफिक्रे। और आज मैं आया हूँ भाई ज़बरदस्त मूवी के शो में। सो आपको लेके चलता हूँ, दिखाता हूँ कि किधर आया हूँ, किस लिए आया हूँ, क्या इवेंट है। तो आपको देख के पता लग ही जाएगा। सो दिस इज़ द इवेंट। यस, अभी मूवी को अवार्ड मिलने वाला है और जेफरी को भी अवार्ड मिलने वाला है। तो चलेंगे, इस अवार्ड को कवर करते हैं और आपको भी दिखाते हैं। दिस इज द प्लेस। यहाँ से लोग चल रहे हैं ऊपर। आई थिंक वी नीड टू गो फ्रॉम दिस साइड।
देखने से दिल नहीं भरता. So that is what it is all about. Rolex, the common man. Sir, how many times you have seen the movie?
Yeah, I see it 4 times.
Mashallah, 4 times. Is there anyone who has seen more than 4 times here? Anyone who has seen more than 4 times here? I'm sure Jerry himself must have seen 400 times by now.
Yeah. படம் பார்க்காதவர்களுக்கு இப்பொழுது அந்த படத்தை மீண்டும் ஒரு முறை இங்கு ஒளிபரப்பு செய்கிறார்கள் இந்த ஜெனி ப்ரொடக்ஷன். அந்த படம் முடிந்த பிறகு இந்த ஷோவுடைய
ऑफिशियल इवेंट हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है DPS अहमदी
இப்பொழுது
के ऑडिटोरियम में।
படத்தை
काफी लोग देख रहे हैं।
என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. அது முக்கியமான கேள்விகள் உங்களுக்காக அடுத்தது காத்திருக்குது. படத்தை நல்லா பார்த்து சரியான பதில் சொன்னவர்களுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஜெனி ப்ரொடக்ஷன் அருமையான கிஃப்ட் வழங்க காத்திருக்கிறார்கள். அதனால் படத்தை கவனிங்கள். உங்கள் சிந்தனைகளை இந்த 2.5 மணி நேரம் இந்த தியேட்டருக்குள் வையுங்கள்.
तो हीरो की जब एंट्री होती है, I want that to see. So when you have those magnanimous scene, beautiful scenes going on, I want all of you to whistle loud, to cheer and to clap, because ये जो माहौल है, वो आज है. Let me tell you that after this movie, we are going to ask some questions related to the movie. So observe each and every minute details.
நல்லா மைண்ட்ல ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கங்க. அதோட கேள்வி பதில் வரப்போகுது. அதற்கு முன்னாடி இப்ப நம்முடைய ரோலக்ஸ் தி காமன் மேன் தமிழ்நாட்டில் பிறந்து இந்தியாவை சுத்தி கோயத்துல பல இடத்துல அவருடைய திறமையை காட்டி ஒரு படத்தை உருவாக்கணும்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் எந்த அளவுக்கு கஷ்டம் இருக்கு. அதுல நிறைய இன்சிடென்ட் அவர் வந்து ஃபேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாரு. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு இந்தியனா ஒரு தமிழனா அவரை வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு படத்தை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணி 15 ஷோ கோயத்துல ஓட்டி இன்னைக்கு உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் வெற்றி விழாவா அதோட அவார்டு விழாவா உங்களோடு சேர்ந்து கைகோர்த்து அவர் நிற்பதற்காக வித் டீமோட அவர் ரியல் ஹீரோ தி ரோலக்ஸ் காமன் மேன் ஜெரி அவர்களை அன்புடன் வேலைக்கு அழைக்கின்றோம்.
Let's have a huge round of applause for Jerry, who is the director, producer, screenwriter of the movie Rolex, the Common Man. वो कहते हैं ना कि कामयाबी का जुनून होना चाहिए, कामयाबी का जुनून होना चाहिए, फिर मुश्किलों की क्या औकात है. So that is the way, that's a living example. Jerry is not that he has not faced problems for making this movie, but still he made it happen. So this is the whole crew
Sam will be
of
center.
the Rolex. The whole crew, the team members.
Wow. It's black.
आपने तो सिर्फ 1 घंटे में मूवी देख ली और
Very
देखिए
nice,
कितने
very nice.
सारे लोग लगते हैं एक मूवी को बनाने के लिए.
Rachana,
Yes.
what you are thinking about the Rolex team?
Yes, it's a beautiful. But before that, I want you all to turn around and show the T-shirt because you all have Rolex at the back,
Yeah,
right?
please
So let's
stand
have this
back.
picture here. Wow, this is a beautiful image to have a look at. Yes, thank you everyone. Please turn around. So how many, sir, you have worked with these people day in and out, right? So they have become your family now.
By the way, actually, they are like for today's event, they are taking care of it. Sorry, small change. My team actually who have worked, they are here and they are there. And these people also my team and they are taking care of today's shows and everything. So I'm thankful to them also. Thank you for everyone for coming and doing this for me. Thanks a lot from bottom of my heart. And thank you all again for coming and spending your valuable time. So I'll talk more later, so I'll just hand over the mic to Rachana.
Yes, yes, Rachana, we will take the real hero with picture
Sure,
also
in
with
the
you.
center, sure.
Please
And
join
please
me.
give a huge round of applause to all the gentlemen who made this day happen, who arranged everything. Logistics and arranging everything is always a big, difficult part. So now comes the time to invite the whole team here
Yes,
on the stage.
before that-
the crew members, yes.
Yeah, before that we need to sweet memories and the 2 years they worked very hard with our Jerry with the team on the girls and ladies எல்லோரும் இங்க சூப்பரா அமர்ந்திருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களெல்லாம் அழைத்து மேடைக்கு அழைத்து இனிப்பு கட் பண்ணி இந்த வெற்றி விழாவை உங்களோடு கொண்டாடி விட்டு அடுத்ததாக அவார்டுக்கு நம்ம செல்லலாம். இப்பொழுது கேக் வெட்டப்படுகிறது. Yeah, we will
So
bring it
let's
back.
get the cake. While they get the cake, I would
Yeah,
also
please
request
stand.
the crew
So
member to get
you
ready
can
to
stand
come
with
on the
the
stage,
cake.
please.
You can- Just only two.
First time. I'm not sure how many of you have faced it for the first time, but to remember the dialogues, to learn the dialect, to do the lip sync, also to do the editing part when you go and recording part, it's also time consuming and difficult. And you all have really worked very hard. So I would like to invite the crew member, the people who have made this movie. Please give them a huge round of applause. And we have, okay, now they all look so different, but because I can recognize their faces, so you are the lady who came at the last, right? The right hand of the dawn. Wow, okay, Mrs. Villain. She's Miss Villain here, right? So ma'am, what's your name in real?
Priyanka.
Priyanka is here and you are playing the part of?
Roma.
Roma darling is here. So you want people to call you Roma or Priyanka?
Priyanka. Aka Roma.
Okay, Priyanka Karoma. And we have here the FBI agent, or CI, what agent you were? Raw agent.
Yes.
Okay. So how difficult it was for you to do that fighting part? Did you enjoy kicking the men?
Actually, fighting part is way difficult than acting part, which I realized while shooting that movie. But when it came out, it was worth it.
True. And we really loved the way you did the whole part. It was awesome. What's your good name, ma'am?
Ruby.
Ruby. And in the movie you were playing the role of?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. So yeah, you were the friend's wife. Wait, yes. What's your good name, ma'am?
Swati.
Swati. So how did it feel when your on-camera husband passed away? Musibat gayi. Amazing. Amazing. Are you married by any chance? And your husband is here?
Yeah, he's there with me.
You did not hear that part, alright? Okay, I love the red color in your hair. It was beautiful. Mama, so I have identified you, so I have to come and, touch your feet, something. What's your name, ma'am?
Rama Prabha.
Rama Prabha is here. Okay, so the crew is here.
Indira Gandhi. Yeah.
Okay, you acted very well. You did not look that old, but yes. So you all are the backstage people? I understand. Okay, fine. So where is the brother, your friend? Some of them are not here. Okay, we all are here. So
This is our stunt team. So where is Sanjay? Stunt director for this movie.
A very nice movie. It's a good opportunity for me. I'm the stunt director. Jerry sir gave me this wonderful opportunity for me. Thank you each and every crew members, and especially thank you for Jerry sir. Thank you. This is my crew members. This is Mr. Jose, Anu, Biju, and other one Anu. And we have a lot of friends, but they are not able to come today. Thank you for everyone.
This is our photographer, still photographer. The still what you seeing is taken by him. His name is Nikhil. So please give a thank you.
Nothing to say. It's all the best.
You feel shy, huh? So this is our production team who handles our production. So just say one word each one. Okay, thank you. They just feel shy, so yeah.
ஜெரி சார் உங்க கூடயே இருக்கிறாப்ல, நான் அவர்கிட்ட கேட்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இந்த கேள்வியை. சொல்லுங்க, உங்களுடைய ரியல் ஹீரோ ஜெரி, அவர் கூடயே இருக்கீங்க நீங்க, அவரை பத்தி சொல்லணும்னா என்ன சொல்லுங்க?
எனக்கு எந்த பிரச்சனையும் நல்லா இருக்கும்.
அதோட பார்த்தீங்க ரொம்ப சூப்பராக, இன்னும் ஒரு ஆள் வரலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அவங்க இல்லை கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் பதில் சொல்லி ஆகணும். ஏன் இப்படி பேசுறீங்க? தமிழ் தானே பேச போறீங்க, பேசி பழக்கல சார். ஆனால் நீங்கள் நிறைய பேசியிருங்க, உங்கள் டீம் பேச விடாமல் வளர்த்துருக்கீங்க.
Sir, if you will push so much for them to speak, our jobs will go.
Yeah.
So let them be backstage.
Yes, sir. Okay, go ahead.
Let's have the cake cutting, please. Sir, come forward. And it's a beautiful portrait picture here.
You tell me.
I wish I could show it, or if there is any camera which can show it over there. But it's a beautiful poster he has. Yes. So please come forward. Actors, please. Okay, so let's have a huge round of applause for the whole team who has worked really hard and brought this beautiful movie for all of us. Of course, it is the first time, but not the last time. Second part is going to come very soon. Where are the whistles? Yes, and a loud cheer. I think now that he doesn't want to have more, we can understand. Did you really lose any weight? I can see you more slim after the movie.
Weight. Actually, due to lots of stress, work, and this one I lost weight. Yeah.
Yes. I thought maybe you're working too hard.
Yes, please. Her mother is there, the field. So please, we have to.
Please.
That time. Yeah, please.
Please. Did you call the first person on the stage?
Yes. You can do so.
Nikhil Vishwam. Can we have a huge round of applause for Nikhil Vishwam? He's the one who did the still photography. So this poster is made by him. So if at all the beautiful women, if you want to have any portrait made, he is the right person to be contacted. Taaliya baja do yaar. I like those people over there. जितना चिल्लाना है दिल खोल के चिल्लाना. So he's the one who has done all the stunt. He's a stunt director. So let me ask him something. You speak Hindi or English? Sir, what would you speak, Hindi or English? Hindi? Hindi. English. Okay. How much time you took to really practice them and make them happen? Because these are not professional fighters or not professional people to face camera.
all new phase. They are not experienced. They don't have experience. It will take time. But Jerry sir, he's giving me more time for me, and I teach all my guys and Jerry sir and our team. It will take time, but they did very well. You know, you see this thing. That's great. Yeah, that's God grace. Yeah, thank you.
मारा भी ठीक से और मार भी ठीक से खाई। JJRK,
the media partner of
media
Rolex.
partner. They are also handling the radio channel they have. JJRK, same production.
For giving to them, actually this is my production JJRK FM team who handles the radio station. We have around 6 people working for it, and our DJ Rich is the manager for it. So we just started 8 months before along with the production. So we have a production along with the radio station, and this is the licensed one and everything. Remaining thing I'll speak, but I just want to thank them because they are there every time with me. So without their support, I couldn't have reached this level. Their way of marketing, everything has been done by them. So I thank them from the bottom of my heart for being. We just have only 4-5 more awards to finish. So we'll finish in just 15-20 minutes. But we need your applause. So because it's 2 years, 1.5 years hard work. I'll talk to you when when I speak. So please, these guys are something phenomenal because நான் தமிழ்லையும் பேசுகிறேன் இங்கிலீஷ்லையும் பேசுகிறேன் ஏன்னா we have mixed audience. So என்னன்னா what I want to say is without these people this movie wouldn't have been done. இவங்க இல்லாமல் என்னால் பண்ணியிருக்க முடியாது. Again, they are the backbone of this movie because arranging the food for the shoot, there will be 50-60 people or 30-40 will be there. Arranging the food, transportation, taking care of all the women coming there and the men and the spot, all this has been done by these people, not me. So the credit goes to them. They are with me for many years. They are my team in work as well as production. So without them, I am nothing.
बहुत अच्छा था, काफ़ी सारे अवार्ड्स दिए गए, पूरी टीम जो रोलेक्स की थी सबको एक को बुलाया गया, अवार्ड्स दिए गए, काफ़ी अच्छा था एंड हमने काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया। तो अगर आप लोगों ने भी इन्जॉय किया तो आप इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को, और इस तरीके की जो इवेंट्स हो रही थी कुवैत में उसको आपका देखना है तो मेरे चैनल पे वो आपको मिलेंगे। तो अब मैं इस वीडियो को यहीं पे ख़त्म करता हूँ, मिलता हूँ कोई अगली वीडियो पे। बाय ब्रदर्स।